In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to add Google Authenticator to your Binance account to make it even more secure. What we're going to do is go to the top left corner. We're going to tap on that icon. Once you're here, whether you're using the light version of Binance or the Pro version, the steps will be the same. So once you're here, we're going to tap on our profile picture. We tap there. We tap on our photo. Next, we'll go to the center section and tap where it says Security. We tap on Security. And here at the bottom, we have an option that says Authenticator app. We're going to tap there to add it. We tap it, and here in the center a message appears telling us that instead of waiting for text messages, we can get the verification codes directly from the Authenticator app, which in this case we're going to use Google Authenticator. To do this, we're going to tap at the bottom where it says Activate on that yellow button. We tap there, and here we have the steps we're going to follow. As you can see, it's explained in detail there. In my case, since I'm doing this from my phone, I'm going to use the code. But if you're, for example, on your computer, you can scan the QR code to do it more quickly. I'm going to use the code, so I'll copy that code from there. Done. I've just copied it. The next step is to open Google Authenticator. For that, I'm going to go back here. You'll need to go to the Play Store if you don't have it installed yet, or to the App Store. You're going to search and type the following. You're going to type Authenticator just like that. And as you can see on the screen, there it is. It says Google Authenticator. So we just select it and install it. Once you've installed it, it should now appear on your phone. As you can see on the screen, there it is. We just need to tap on that icon. Once you've opened the app, in my case, I can't record it, so you'll have to follow along with my voice. Pay close attention. What you need to do is, once you open the app, at the bottom right, you'll see an icon with a plus sign. Tap on it, and two options will appear. The first option is to scan a QR code. Like I mentioned, if you're doing this from your computer, you can just scan the QR code and that's it. But since I'm doing it from my phone, I'm going to choose the second option, which says Enter Setup Key. So I'm going to tap on the second option, and now this part actually lets me record it. So just follow my steps. What we're going to do here is give it a name. For example, let's call it Binance so we can identify it, and below that, we're going to enter the key we copy from Binance. We'll paste that key here. Just press and hold for a moment and paste it. Now we have the key, and below that we're going to choose the type of key. We have two options, time-based or counter-based. I'm going to leave it just like that, time-based, and we're going to press where it says Add. We press there, and now I'm back in the app. I couldn't record this part, but here you should see the name you entered, which would be Binance, and below that you'll see 6 numbers, 6 digits. These numbers will keep updating, so you have to copy them quickly because they change. In this case, I'm going to copy the Binance code I just added. I'll copy it quickly. Once I've copied it, I'm going to go back to the Binance app. Press here where it says Next, and here I'll paste the code I copied. That's it, and I press where it says Submit. As you can see on the screen, it has just been added. There we have the authentication app. It tells me it was added on August 4th, 2025. On the right side, we have a little button to edit it and a button to delete it in case we don't need it anymore. Let's press this little arrow. We press it, and there it is. In the center, as you can see, it says Authentication app, and on the right side, we have that green check mark. Well, that's all. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.